After 14 years of selling the same basic model, Toyota decided to redesign its full-size Tundra pickup for 2022, choosing evolution over revolution. Although it doesn't exactly follow the domestic pickup truck blueprint, it doesn't alter the big pickup status quo either. Please visit Top 4 Cars on YouTube and become a subscriber before watching the video. For starters, it lacks an optional V8 engine, making it the only full-size pickup in the half-ton segment. The base version of the engine, which is solely a twin-turbocharged V6, has 348 or 379 horsepower, depending on the model, while the more potent hybridized version generates 437 horsepower and 537 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. With either rear or four-wheel drive, every Tundra uses a 10-speed automatic gearbox. There is no option for an automatic four-wheel drive system, unlike domestic pickups. Depending on the cab size and trim, the Tundra is available with either an extended or crew cab and has a bed that measures 5.5, 6.5, or 8.1 feet long. Its 7 tires of gear are designed to meet the demands of the workplace, business, off-road, and suburban environments, where a dressy interior is necessary. The optional 14.0-inch wide infotainment screen on this Texas-built truck is the size of a Longhorn. The major redesign in 2022 added a new coil spring rear suspension, giving it a smoother ride than other trucks that use leaf springs. Although the maximum towing capacity of 12,000 pounds is impressive, what will change in 2023? Given that Toyota only underwent a redesign of the Tundra last year, it largely maintains the same design for 2023. The SX Appearance Package, which is brand new for the SR5 trims this year, gives the Tundra's exterior and interior trim additional design elements in black and dark gray. The SX package adds 18-inch dark gray wheels, black door handles, body trim, middle section of the rear bumper, and a darker rear 4x4 badge. The Tundra door badges are gone, and the interior accents are now all black. White, silver, gray, or black exterior paint options can all have the SX package added. The starting price of the 2023 Tundra is higher than that of its domestic rivals. A 379 horsepower twin turbo V6 and a coil spring rear suspension are among the more desirable standard features of the Toyota's entry. Level Star trim, which cost about $40,815. The Ram 1500 also comes with a coil spring rear suspension as standard. The SR5 with the TRD off-road package, which includes upgraded suspension, exclusive wheels, an electronically locking rear differential, and other features is the one we recommend. Performance, engine, and transmission. The only full-size pickup truck without a V8 engine option is the 2023 Tundra. Instead, a 10-speed automatic gearbox and a twin-turbo V6 are the only options available. There are 3 different potencies of this engine. The engine produces 348 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque on the base SR trim. Otherwise, it produces 479 pound-feet and 389 horses. Our limited test truck achieved a 0 to 60 miles per hour, time of 6.1 seconds at our test track. The rear suspension, which previously utilized a leaf spring setup, has also been altered from its predecessor. The Tundra now has a more advanced coil spring rear suspension, which enhances the way it rides and handles. With the versions we've driven, this was obvious. The well-liked TRD Sport and TRDD F-Road packages are still available from Toyota. The former has special wheels, skid plates, and an off-road suspension. The latter has 20-inch wheels and a lowered suspension. The TRD Pro, which has a lifted suspension, unique dampers, and a unique set of black 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, is the best option for those looking for the most off-road capability. There is also a hybrid Tundra model, which we review separately. It has 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. The Tundra has a towing capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, which is slightly less than that of other full-size trucks. For instance, the F-150 can tow up to 14,000 pounds. The Tundra can carry a payload of up to 1,940 pounds. Again, a number of other half-ton pickups can tow more weight in their cargo beds than the Ford, which has a payload limit of 3,250 pounds. Real-world MPG and fuel economy. The two-wheel drive Tundra is capable of up to 20 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway with a non-hybrid powertrain. Four-wheel drive lowers those ratings by 1 mpg each. The Tundra Limited only managed to achieve 19 mpg on our lengthy testing regimen's 75 miles per hour highway route. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Tundra's interior is comprised of a thick dashboard with numerous noticeable air vents and a thick, smooth center section that connects the door panels. Compared to the previous generation, much nicer materials were used for the doors, dash, and center console. The quality does, of course, improve with the trim levels, with the top of the Line 1794 edition featuring lovely wood accents. Every model has a flexible center console with a sizable center bin and lots of cubby storage. The top trim levels have a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster instead of the standard instrument panel's 2 analog gauges and small driver information display. 3 different cargo bed lengths are available for the Tundra, which has 2 body types. The 6.5 or 8.1 foot bed options are available for the extended cab, also known as the double cab. The crew cab, also known as the Crew Max, comes with a 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed. Infotainment and connectivity. All full-size pickup trucks now come standard with at least a 12-inch touchscreen, with the exception of the Nissan Titan. Although the Tundra comes with an 8.0-inch touchscreen as standard, it can be upgraded to a 14.0-inch touchscreen that is horizontally oriented, which is larger than the ones found in all other trucks. Although it has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a useful volume knob, the steering wheel controls are only partially functional and lack a tuning knob. There is also a Wi-Fi hotspot that requires a subscription.